Welcome guys. Today we are formatting a Dell laptop from the flash drive that was bootable that we created. Power on your PC. Use the F12 option to boot from your flash drive. Then when you see the pairing one-time boot, take your hand off the F12 key option. Then select the flash drive partition. Select your language, time, keyboard inputs method. And next, and install. Setup is starting. Set Microsoft Terms, advanced option, and delete the partition, which is usually the largest drive size you see in this option. Format it. And next, this next process takes some time, between, let's say, 7 to 15 minutes, depending on your PC. It can even be more, depending on how fast your PC is. Then you restart. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment down below. This part also takes a while. I have to speed it up. Windows is being set up. Select your control region. Select your keyboard layout. Then select I don't have internet. You can always do your setup after Windows is done configuring. Windows is setting up. And this part 2 takes about 5 to 8 minutes. So you just have to just wait. Thanks for watching.